What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Just a quick updated video for 2026. I'm going to be showing you the best Doordash promo codes that you can use right now. I spent a long time searching Google and YouTube and also Reddit, and I was trying tons of different codes. Very few actually work, and if they did work, they work for new users and they don't give you much at all. But I've managed to find some Doordash coupon codes you can use right now in 2026 to get tons of free food. You can even get $100 account credit. And this works for new and existing users, so it doesn't matter if you've used DoorDash before. These are the best codes for DoorDash. So make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe, because many more are going to be released in the future. So let's get into the video. What you're going to want to do, guys, is use your mobile phone. I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android as well. You just need to head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So as you can see, guys, I'm just typing it into my mobile phone internet browser, and it's going to bring you to this awesome codes website. And what you're going to want to do is scroll up to the top where it says search here and just type in DoorDash. And as you can see, there's one verified coupon. So there is a DoorDash coupon code here for $100 account credit. And this is a simple code, guys, that you can redeem in your DoorDash app or in the website. And it's going to credit your account $100. You can spend it however you want, whether it be in one order or multiple orders. So as you can see, it says your coupon code is ready and will be revealed in the box below after verification. So long story short, guys, you need to unlock your DoorDash promo code. And this basically stops people from stealing the limited number of codes. So click on this button here, and you're going to see this page with a set of instructions. Long story short, you need to complete a couple of the free tasks on this page. There's simple things like installing mobile applications and answering surveys and playing mobile games. Just do read the small text, because that tells you how to complete each task. And once you complete 2 of them, it will redirect you back to this page on cold coupons, and your DoorDash coupon code will now be fully revealed and unlocked, and you can redeem it in the app, and that is going to get you $100 account credit. So really easy, guys. These are by far the best DoorDash coupon codes available. Head on over to Cold Coupons, navigate your way to this page, the DoorDash promo code page, and select the $100 free credit code. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.